What's up guys, how are you today? I hope you're doing great and I hope you're enjoying the videos here on my channel. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell button too, so you get notification every time I upload new videos and you don't miss anything. Today we are going to do the Korean bang or the fringe, whatever you want to call it. 2024 I'm gonna focus more on the Korean style too, because I know guys you are asking me so much for those styles, but today we are going to do only the fringe, only the bang. It's easy, not difficult to do, beautiful simple technique, gorgeous effect, believe me. If you like this mannequin, I will leave you the link in the description below under the video. This is one of my mannequin, her name is Amanda, and we ship it to anywhere in the United States and all over the world too. So let's go section the hair and start cutting the Korean bang. Okay guys, the first step, what we're gonna do, definitely separate the fringe from the rest of the hair. We're going to section from the apex area, the highest area on the top of the head. Okay, this is the flat area by the way. So here's the apex. We come out to the outside of the eyebrow area on both sides. So now we have the triangle, okay, area. This is our fringe or bang area or face frame, whatever you call it. So now we're separating it. Now we are going to cut it. Look how simple this technique and the gorgeous effect. Beautiful result, believe me. So let's go. So the first thing we're gonna do guys, we're gonna comb the hair, make sure it's evenly wet. And above the nose area here, on the center of the face here, we are going to take our guideline. So this piece here above the nose, and we are going to cut it here. So you see that the chin area, we are going to chop it there, like this. So now this is our guide. Okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna do, we are going to cut the right side to the left side, and the left side we're gonna over direct it to the right side and cut. So like you see here, I'm combing, and make sure you comb very good. Over directing to the other side of the face and cut. You see my elevation is like a medium elevation, and I cut. Here we go. Comb again, just make sure everything's clean and the line is perfect. Boom. Now you see the top part of the fringe and the lower part of the fringe is going to be under the chin. So we are going to cut now the left side, and this is my guideline. You are going to see the shortest piece. Yes, this is my guideline, and I'm going to connect. Here we go. It's simple but gorgeous effect guys, believe me. Watch till the end, and if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and like and share my videos. Thank you so much. This is now the first effect. Like you can kind of see the effect right now, but wait till the end because believe me, you're gonna like it. So the first part of cutting this fringe is done. Now we are going to the second part. We are not gonna cut down there, we are gonna go higher elevation, and look how I'm over directing to the other side. Yes, over directing. Yeah, here we go. This is my guideline, and we are going to create more layers in the fringe. Remember, the higher elevation, less density, more layers. So here we go. We're done with this side. Now we are going to do the same exact things on the other side. Over direct from left to the right, and then cut. Yes, you see my angle? This is my guideline, and boom. You tell me in the comment what do you think guys. So here we go. This is the shortest side. It's gonna be flowing back, and the long part of the fringe is going to be under the chin. If you look to the Korean girls, they always see this long piece under the chin. It's so beautiful, so sexy. Now we are going to do blowout. I used Mousse. You can use any brand you like guys. No specific brand, just use whatever you feel like or what you have. You see how I do the blowout? I'm using kind of like a medium brush like size, You can use a little bit bigger if you want to add more volume. You can do that. I'm using a medium size. Take your time to do a good blowout. Do not rush it because it's gonna show in the final result. So here, after we finished, we are going to do some dry cut. Yes. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. Just be careful. I'm going to texturize this end a little bit, you know, some point cutting, give like some pieciness, take some of the density away, but not so much. I don't want to over thinning, okay? Be careful to overdo it. Look to the upper part flowing back and the lower part and the chin. Believe me, it is absolutely gorgeous. Like you see how it's gonna go live under the chin? Wait till the end. We're gonna do the same exact things on the other side, a little bit of point cutting technique, nothing crazy as I said, just to soften those ends a little bit and give them some little extra pieciness and texture. Now, after we finish, I'm balancing the right and the left, making sure both of them are evenly matched, like nothing longer than the other. Here I feel like this side a little bit longer, so boom. Now I'm very satisfied and happy. Look to this gorgeous flow. Look at that, guys. That's gorgeous. So the same exact things. Look here. This is under the chin. It's gonna flow back on the upper side. Upper part is flowing back, and the longer part is going to be under the chin. And this is the first look. But this is the long Korean bang. Now we're gonna make it shorter. Well, somebody tell me, oh, Ali, this is too long for me. I wanna make it shorter. Don't worry about it. I got you covered in this video. Now instead we cut a chin level. Now we're gonna cut on the lip level. So this is medium length. After we finish the first cut, now we're gonna over direct to the other side, and this is our guideline. And boom, cut. Here we go. Now we have a medium length instead the long length. Definitely we're gonna cut the other side to the same exact things we did on the right side. This is our guideline, boom, and now we are done. If you don't like it too long, I showed you how to do it medium. You can just go a little bit higher. And look how gorgeous and sexy is that. Dang. This is the first look, guys, the disconnected. You can see the upper part is flowing back and the long part is under the chin. That's absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm gonna do the second look and I'm gonna make it like a fan look, like all connected together. And look how sexy is that. That's gorgeous. Let me know what you think, guys. And now I'm going to let the hair all go down and look how the look. Oh wow. Let me know what you think. Ciao for now.